in the mood to open a lab kit. Let's see the packaging. So on the packaging, it shows you what you can do, and it also has a picture of what the things inside are. Okay, now we're going to read what it says. Make a test tube, kaleidoscope, stack, liquid, create lively lava, a bouncy ball, and much more. Now let's get opening. Let's see what's inside. There are 2 of these. There's this yellow thing. Some looks like test tubes. There's one more. And looks like there's 3 of these. Okay. Ooh, some orange ball things. Some food colouring. Ooh, what's in here? Let's open. Wow, okay. This looks like, oh, this says a lab notepad. Wow. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Some cards. And on the back there's this. Oh, some stickers. I'll put these on later. Oh, and looks like a science instruction book. Oh, some professor goggles. Wow. Okay, let's put them on. I feel so like a professor. Ooh la la. Okay, let's see what else. Ooh, looks like some rainbow crystals. Ooh, and a little pack of some Q-tips and looks like some balloons. Okay, oh, there's slime and a funnel. Okay, so this is the funnel. And this is a droplet. Okay, and some slime. The science lab kit does not come with a pen, so I've got my own one. Now I want to write my cookie name on it. Professor Cookie. Okay, now let's put these to the side and peel. There we go. Now I'm officially a professor and a lab scientist. Now we're going to, let's see what we can make. So I'm going to put everything right here. And, ooh, some card. Interesting. Okay, so this is a plastic bag full of some things. Let's open this. Ooh, wow. Ooh, so there's some glue stick straps look like, and there's some marks. Okay, now we're going to, there's a little magnifying glass. There's some wooden dowels. Ooh. And there's some balloons, rubber bands. So 2 balloons, some rubber bands, and some Q-tips. There's also a paper clip. Okay, now let's see what we can make. So I'm just going to set everything in front of me. I think these go in here, so I'm going to put them in here. Okay, now let's see what's inside the science lab book. Okay, let's look inside. So it shows you what's inside of them. Now let's look at page 4. Okay, so it starts showing what you can make. Now I want to, I'm going to see what we can make, and then I'm going to come back to you guys and start making things. Let's see. Okay guys, so I've decided to make bouncy crystals, which is a bouncy ball. So, looks what you will need is this ball mold, which you put together, which we're going to do in a minute. You also need 3 times bag of crystals. So I think these are here, right over here. Okay, now what you need to do, clip the 2 halves of the ball mold together. That's step number 1. Okay, so I'm going to put the instructions over here and put these to the side. Now let's put these together. Okay, now step number 2 is pour the bags of crystals into the mold one by one until your mold is full. Okay, so we're going to be using this funnel, which is used to pour things in so it doesn't spill. Okay, now let's open this bag. Ooh, my 2 favorite colors are in this bag. There's yellow, blue and pink. I like the most pink and blue. Okay, now we're going to open we're going to make a small little slip for each bag. Okay, now that should be opened up. Yes, it is. Okay, so I'm going to start one by one pouring them in. So I'm going to put this in like so. Cup, which I'm going to put this mold in. You can use any cup, but I've decided to use these. This is my cup full of water. Now the instructions say to put this mold in, fill with your gems, crystals. Okay, now we're going to pour the water inside slowly until the top is covered. You want to make sure it doesn't actually go inside of it yet. So you want to make sure it's on the edge. Ooh. Let's make it stand again. Ooh. Okay. It keeps on moving, so I'm just gonna hold it. Okay. That is now covered. This is it. Now we're going to number 6. Take out and let it stand for another 2 minutes. So it says leave it in for 2 minutes in the water, so I'll be back in 2 minutes. Now it's been 2 minutes later, so now we're going to take it out and leave it for another 2 minutes. I'm going to let it drip. Okay. Now we're going to see you in another 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes later, and now the instructions say to take out the mold, rinse it under water, and then let it to dry. That's what I'm going to do now. Now, let's take off the mold. Oh, this is hard. Oh, I think it's stuck onto the... Wow, it's nice and round. And you can actually see the patterns on it. Okay, now let's do... Wow guys, this looks so rainbow fantastic. Wow, it looks just like a rainbow. And I'm gonna spin it around so you guys can see. Ooh, wow. Okay, now we're going to rinse underwater and let number 2. Okay, so what it says is, it comes with some food colouring. So it comes with red food colouring, yellow food colouring, and blue food colouring. All you'll need to bring at home and use is an old bowl and spoon, half a cup of PVA glue. You can use old clothes or an apron, but I've got my scientific outfit on, and corn flour. Step 1. Pour the glue into the bowl and add a few drops of each of the 2 food colourings to make your slime green. Now, I've been experimenting slime since the past, and now I'm going to do it again. So let's get started. Okay, so now what you do, number 1, if you're new to slime making, which some people are, I'm going to pour some PVA glue in my bowl. Make sure this is an old bowl because you'll be mixing your slime in this. So you can make your slime big by pouring a lot in, or make it little by pouring only a little bit in. Now I'm going to pour it medium, so a little bit more. Okay, that should be enough. Okay, now let's pour this to the side. And now we're going to put some food colouring in, then mix. Then we're going to add some activator. What colours do I want? Now you can make it plain, whatever colours you have at home. So I've obviously got yellow, what's this one? Red and blue. So I want, in the instructions it says to make it green like this, which we're going to open later. But I want to make it blue because I don't have a blue slime yet. So let's get opening. So I think there's a tab inside of it which you have to release, and then yes, okay, so this is it. And then we're going to only put a few drops in, but if you want a really dark blue, then you pour a lot in. Okay, 1, 2, 3. That's how it looks. Okay, I'm going to pour one more in. And that should be enough because I want a light blue. Now we're going to close the lid so it doesn't leak. And now we're going to mix and add some activator after. Wow, look at those colours. Okay, we're going to keep on mixing. Wow, it looks so good, like a blue dream. Okay, so we're going to finish mixing, then we're going to add some corn flour. I've added one more drop of blue in because the last blue was too light for me. Now we're going to add slowly the corn flour in. You don't want to add too much at the first beginning because it might be too stiff after and you might ruin your slime. So you want to pour it in slowly and then mix, and then if you want a sticky slime you only need a little bit of corn flour, but if you want a really good slime then pour it slowly by slowly. And then how you know it's forming is it will come off the sides of the bowl and you keep on mixing. If you want your slime sticky, then you add less cornstarch. If you want your slime stiff, you will add more corn flour. And if you want my sticky and a little bit stiff, you add medium corn flour. This is how my slime came out. Since I did it medium, it doesn't stretch that much, but it's also sticky, which I love. Today on our first experiment, we made a rainbow crystal bouncy ball, which is amazing, and I'm very proud of it, and I really want to make it again, and also some slime. Since there was a lot of ingredients and things to do in this book, we're going to have loads of parts to it. So this is part 1, and then next time it's going to be part 2. Hope you enjoyed my video, Cookie fans. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!